How's it going, class? Mr. Strable here. We're doing a quick review on vocabulary for algebraic expressions and equations. We did this stuff before we left, but I figured go over it just in case you forgot. So this note sheets look familiar because you had one. So if you don't have it anymore, going back over it to help you with the checkup that you got to do afterwards. So first definition, we have a letter used to represent unknown value. So if you remember, that is called a variable. And the variables are the letters in the problem. So I'm going to highlight all these K's because they are all variables, and I'm going to turn them red so it kind of stands out. All right, the next definition we have is part of a math problem separated by a plus, minus, or equal sign. So those were our terms. So remember, terms is everything that's before the plus sign counts as one term. So the negative and the K together count as a term. So let's make the terms this light green. 4 is a term. 2K is a term. 9 is a term. And negative 2K is a term. All right. Having issues making the colors change. All right. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total terms in this problem. All right. So the next definition we have is a number being multiplied by a variable. So that is our coefficient. So remember, the coefficient is the number directly in front of a variable. So right here we have the 2 and the negative 2. Those are coefficients, easy enough to see. So let's highlight those, and we could change those colors. Let's make them light blue. All right. Now, some of you might be thinking there's a missing one, and you are correct. Remember, when we have a variable by itself, there's the hidden one. So this is really negative 1 as the coefficient there. All right. The next definition is a number with no variable attached to it, and those are our constants. And so those are the numbers without a variable. So the 4 and the 9 are our constants. And let's make those orange. All right. The next definition we have is a mathematical phrase with no equal sign. That is an expression. And finally, a math sentence with an equal sign that states two expressions are equal. That is an equation. So remember, equation equal. All right. So that is a real quick rundown of our notes. You are going to have a quick review on Microsoft Forms. Complete that. Review this video if you need to. I will also attach a copy of this worksheet to help you as well. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to email me and I'll get to you and I'll help you out. Okay. All right. Take care.